Welcome to renal impairment part un de trois. This is going to be a really short one. We're just going to be talking about filtration clearance. Remember, filtration clearance is what is the first process in the kidney. The first is filtration, so the blood flow comes in. And remember, we've already discussed that this is actually just the GFR, so it's the plasma that gets routed to the glomerulus, to the kidney. And then you've got this filter here, and it filters keeping big things from traveling through. So only free drug will get through that filter. So this is now the nephron, isn't it? And then down here, you're going to have secretion as you move down the nephron, and then reabsorption, and then out to the bladder, and there you go, out. But the first process is filtration, so only free drug will go through there. So remember, all clearance is Q, or blood flow, and extraction efficiency. The blood flow here is GFR, which is 125 mils per minute. You can change that to liters per hour if you need to, or whatever other units you would like. The extraction efficiency is the unbound fraction unbound. So our glomerular filtration clearance is GFR times fraction unbound. Only free drug will make it through. This is passive because it doesn't require any energy, it just happens. It's restrictive, therefore it can't be saturated or anything. It's restrictive, meaning only free drug can get through. It has to be unbound. And all drugs will be filtered through unless they're too large, even if they're not bound to protein. So if it's if the drug itself has a molecular weight of greater than 20,000 Daltons, it will not be filtered even if it's free, because it's just too big to fit through there. So the first process is filtration, and this is what we compare then to what goes out in renal clearance to decide if reabsorption or secretion are the most predominant processes. The only thing that will affect filtration clearance is if we have a change in GFR or a change in binding. And you know what things can affect binding. So that's filtration clearance. I'll see you in part 4. Bye-bye now.